About Java Burn. Java Burn, just like other dietary supplements, will help you naturally lose weight. It comes as a powder, and all you need to do is mix it into your daily mug of coffee, and you are all done. This supplement is tasteless, so it will not ruin your morning routine, and it comes with numerous benefits. You see its positive effects in 2 to 3 weeks. Java Burn has a natural composition, and all of its ingredients, if taken individually, provide numerous benefits, so putting them together in one supplement may work incredibly well for you. This supplement has no known side effects, instead working for its overall betterment and improving your mental health. You can get Java Burn from the company's official website, meaning you don't have to leave the house, and you can only even order it from your phone. Not only that, but the site includes various discounts if you buy Java Burn in bigger quantities, giving customers multiple ways to save. Features of Java Burn. Completely tasteless. When you mix Java Burn in your mug of coffee, you will not notice any difference, letting you consume it quickly and still enjoy your coffee's flavor. US-made supplement. This supplement is made in the United States by researchers. The offices of the manufacturer are situated there, and you can check every little detail about them on the official site. Follows all FDA rules. The supplement follows all Food and Drug Administration guidelines. Not only that, but it also adheres to the Good Manufacturing Practices system. It is not authorized with GMP but follows all its rules, which makes it a CGMP product. You can mix it easily into any of your regular mugs of coffee, no matter how strong or whether it's dark, medium, or light roast. Java Burn is free from all artificial preservatives and coloring. Java Burn will heal your body from the inside, activating all your dead cells, and improving your overall health. You'll see promising results in your body, and you will start to feel better. Java Burn is for people ages 25 to 65, and no one outside of that range should consume the supplement as it can be harmful to them. About the makers of this unique formula. John Barboan and his team created Java Burn, and they have done a fabulous job, researching every detail about how the human body gains weight and loses it. They have targeted the areas where our fat is stored unnecessarily, allowing us to break down that fat and boost our metabolic rate. They also follow all Food and Drug Administration guidelines and good manufacturing practices, exemplifying their professionalism and care for the people consuming their product. Ingredients used in Java Burn. The Java Burn supplement uses all natural components, including vital proteins and vitamins for a healthy body. Here's the list of ingredients. Vitamin B6, this is responsible for activating your metabolic system, known for helping you with your weight loss journey. You won't gain weight unnecessarily, and you will lose it regularly. Also, Java Burn will save you from those unnecessary cravings, be they emotional or just a result of boredom. Vitamin B12, sometimes, when you succeed in losing weight, you stop doing your exercises or following your diet, and you start to gain the weight back. It is not a good thing. But with Java Burn, you don't have to worry because vitamin B12 will help maintain your weight loss even after you stop taking the supplement. Chlorogenic acid, this acid works to maintain blood sugar levels in your body. It also assists in your weight loss journey, helping you lose fat quickly. How does it work on your body? You will love the results you see after using Java Burn. It will take its time and work slowly, but you will see positive outcomes after 3 to 4 weeks of regular dosage. Quick absorption, as we discussed, just mix 1 spoonful of Java Burn into your daily mug of coffee. This tasteless supplement will easily blend in, and your body will absorb it quickly without you even realizing it's happening. Activates the genes, Java Burn will help your genes to work efficiently, assisting with the repair of your body's cells. The supplement helps you activate dead cells to raise your metabolic rate. Boosts the metabolism. As we discussed earlier, if we have a low metabolic rate, we will not lose weight, so Java Burn focuses on activating your metabolism. Provides nutrition. Java Burn provides your body with proteins, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. No body can work efficiently if that body is deficient in these rich components. Initiates fat burning. In the end, this supplement will activate your weight loss journey. It will boost dead cells in your body, allowing you to lose weight quickly. How much weight can you lose with the help of Java Burn? You may see weight loss with Java Burn after 3 to 4 months of dosage only. The supplement provides several benefits, but its main goal is to help you with your weight loss journey. You will be able to lose 20 to 30 pounds with the help of Java Burn, which is substantial. Going to the gym or sticking to a diet requires a lot of effort, but with Java Burn, you will be able to lose weight by just drinking your mug of coffee each day. Benefits of Java Burn. There are many positive effects that come with adding the Java Burn supplement to your diet. Just make sure to take it the way its manufacturers have directed with your mug of coffee once a day, for optimum results. It will not change the taste of your coffee, and you will soon see positive changes. Some of the advantages of consuming this supplement are: a focus on metabolic function. If your metabolism is not active, you will not lose weight. Even when our stomach is full, our cravings sometimes lead us to eat excessive junk food, and we can't lose weight no matter how much we work out or which diet we try. Your metabolic rate needs to be activated, and that requires a boost. Java Burn helps your body do just that. Targeting of the most prolific fat storage areas. All the fat that your body can't melt down gets stored, resulting in invisible belly fat. Java Burn targets the areas that hold the most unwanted fat, helping you lose weight, and you will love how it melts off the pounds. Appetite control. Java Burn helps you control your appetite and improve your digestive system, all while keeping your bad food habits in check. Fewer cravings. One of the main reasons for our unwanted body fat is unnecessary cravings. There are numerous types of food cravings. When we get bored, we feel like eating something. We have stress cravings, emotional cravings, and many more. It is not a good thing because it leads to excessive body weight. Java Burn will help you feel full, and as a result, you will not gain weight unnecessarily. Overall good health. Java Burn will not only help you burn down your unnecessary body fat, but will also work for the betterment of your overall health. It improves heart health and benefits your mental health, as well. If you are suffering from stress and anxiety, this supplement can help increase your optimism and raise your mood. How to take the Java Burn supplement. The Java Burn supplement is tasteless, and you